I know that most of the problem that small content creators are facing is actually about designing their own thumbnail. Some of them think that they need to be a pro before they can actually design their own thumbnail. What if I told you that in just a few seconds you could create a thumbnail that looks like this without touching a camera? So this AI tool helps you to create a realistic thumbnail, and there are so many things you're going to learn in this video, so you just need to pay attention to everything I'm going to say in this video. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use ChatGPT to generate a thumbnail for yourself. Number one,
I want to create a video. Could you please help me generate? So ChatGPT will go further, asking you some few questions. Do you want your face on the thumbnail? If yes, you need to upload a picture. What style do you want? You now choose your okay. I'm just going to upload one of my picture. Let me add it here and say this. So guys, as you can see, this was the image and the prompt I gave ChatGPT, and you can see right here that ChatGPT has actually generated a thumbnail for us. Jesus, but this is so nice. Like it's just the same thing, guys. The only thing is that it changes the color of the clothes to match with the background as of what I told ChatGPT, but every damn thing here is the same. Do you understand? So as it is here, you can just click here to download the thumbnail.
I'm going to also show you how you can use ChatGPT to generate a prompt for the app that we are going to be using to generate our thumbnail, which is number two.
So I've actually typed the prompt I will be needing for this very particular tutorial, right? So this is actually the prompt I will be needing for it and everything from browser, and type Google Image FX. So when you click, you have to make sure you click on this first one. So clicking on this first one, you can either sign in with Google. You can see install here, just click on install and you click here to install it. So type ChatGPT. All right, so we have typed that. So I will just go ahead to my WhatsApp and I'm just going to go ahead and copy the first prompt, which is this: generate blah blah blah. I'll come to ChatGPT right here. So what I just need to do is just to go ahead and paste it, and let's wait for that. So you actually need to type a prompt with the title of the video you actually want to create. Do you understand? So this has been done. So after that, you just need to click on those plus sign, then you go to your photo library. I click on this. All right, so clicking on this, I'm just going to paste this prompt. Please take note of this prompt. If you can actually screenshot it as it is on the screen, you can do that right away, right? I just go ahead and send. So let's just wait for ChatGPT to actually generate a prompt for us. A short young black woman with long twisted blah blah blah. My WhatsApp again, and click on the dot text. So I'll just go ahead to my ChatGPT, and I'm just going to paste this right here, and I'll just click on. So the thought is create a prompt for a thumbnail title. This audio mistake is killing your view, so that I can use it to generate an image. So here is the voice of blah 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 blah. So it actually generated the prompt for us the first time, the third time, right? So what you just need to do is just to go ahead and copy the first prompt, right? Then you come ahead and copy this last prompt here. So after copying the last prompt, we are going to head over to our image fx, and what we just need to do just to make sure we paste the first prompt, which is this. Then you go ahead and paste the second prompt, then just go ahead and click on send. So when you click on send, you just need to give it a time for it to actually come up. So you can see that the ChatGPT has already generated this thumbnail for us, right? So what we are just going to do is just to click on setting in order for us to maintain the same this thing. So we are going to choose the aspect ratio, which is landscape right here. So you are just going to go ahead and choose landscape, guys, since we are using that for our thumbnail. So you go ahead and click on this landscape. Then what you just need to do just to lock this for you to maintain the same image, right? So you can see that we are done with that. So what we just need to do, I can actually download this first. So let me just download this one first, guys. So after downloading this one, we come to input here. So what I will need to do right now is just to go back to ChatGPT. Then you are going to tell ChatGPT to add some elements through rate. Do you understand? I just go ahead and send it. All this prompt like this, we are going to copy all those prompt from here. So you just go ahead and copy the thumbnail. I'm going to delete some things, guys. So after copying, you just go back to the email. Make sure you paste the first prompt. That first prompt, they frustrated. I just pray I don't get it confused. Yeah, you paste the first prompt and you paste the second prompt, like this last prompt now. So pasting the third prompt, let's actually wait for the image to be downloaded. Can you guys now see another image that this thing of generated? You can see that it's still maintaining the same person, the same face, the same consistency. Do you understand? So this is how you can actually keep on changing this image till you actually get what you want. So what I just need to do, I'll just go ahead and download this image right here. If this does not meet up to your text, you can still go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, okay, let's say this doesn't meet up to my text, right? So I can tell ChatGPT that add you can just say anything and make it clickable. Do you understand? You can just say anything that you know that someone cannot actually resist this thumbnail. This is why if the prompt that we copied, so you just go ahead and copy. Then I'm just going to go to that first prompt that we generated before and copy. Do you understand? So this is how you do it when you actually get what you want. So come here, you click on this arrow right here. So what you just need to do is just to paste the first prompt context. So let's wait for that to actually come up. Now seen, guys, audio mistake, fix it now. No one told you this. I think this one is even the best. Do you understand? So
And the third one, I'm going to show you how you can replace this AI face with your own personal face using Canva. Number 3,
come to your Canva right here. Here's my Canva. Come here to your gallery. So clicking here, this is what we are going to do. So you just need to scroll to this side and click on this three line. You are going to see set image as background. You can see because we actually change it to horizontal, so it give us the normal background for you to turn it. You align the image. So after highlighting the image, you just need to scroll to where you see Magic Studio. You can only do this with Canva Pro, mind you. You come here and click on Magic Studio. So when you click on Magic Studio, you can see something like Magic Eraser. You click on it. So when you click on it, you come to this click. Do you guys see? So when you come to this click, let's allow it to load. So I'm just going to hold this image. Anything that you don't want to be here, you just do ahead and be holding it, and let's see what we can do. And just go ahead and click on erase. So let's see what is gonna happen. Can you guys see how clean this thumbnail is? I remove the picture, nothing is showing. So I'm just going to come to my gallery right here. You just go ahead, come here, click on this image. This is the image I want to use. I'll just click here to remove the background. Let's just watch the magic, right? I've actually removed the background. I'm just going to go ahead and expand this image. Do you understand? So while I expand this image, I need a hand that is pointing towards that direction. I'll come to element, I'll search for hand pointing. Do you understand? And I'm just going to search for it. So when I click on answer hand point, I'll come to photos. I'm not going to do anything on that graphics. So I'll just pick any of the hand that I like. I can just go for this very particular one, and what I just need to do is just to rotate it to this part, and I'll bring it here. Download your thumbnails, guys. This update is actually the best. Like, this is the best update ever. There's no need of you stressing yourself. Just be giving it prompt and you just go with your thumbnail. Can you guys see it? And boom, we are done with our thumbnail. So you guys see it, we have actually changed it. So as simple as that.
and number 4, I'm going to show you how you can actually compare 2 or 3 thumbnails on ChatGPT for you to know the one that will get the highest click-through rate. So
For us to actually compare 2 or 3 different thumbnails and ask ChatGPT to choose the one that will get the highest click-through rate. And those 3 thumbnails, it has to be for the same type of video. Do you understand? But I don't really think I have a thumbnail like that. But I'm just going to choose. Let's say I choose this one. Great to blah 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 thumbnail. Instead I try again tomorrow after 9:48 p.m. Or so for you to do, let me just use this opportunity to explain. So let's say you uploaded 2 or 3 thumbnails here. So what you just need to do just to ask ChatGPT compare highest click through rate. So by so doing, now assuming we uploaded like 2 or 3 thumbnails, ChatGPT is going to analyze each of the thumbnail and tell me the one that gets the highest click-through rate.
So guys, now that you know how you can actually use this AI to generate a realistic, good, professional looking thumbnail for yourself, let me know in the comment section if actually you are going to try this out, and let me know if this video can actually help you in creating or designing your own thumbnail with no stress. Okay, so do well to like, do well to subscribe, and also most important thing is that you need to turn the bell notification so you always get updated each time I bring in a new video. And bye, and I'm going to see you in my next upload.